Every shepherd has a song. The sheep learns it from the sheep. The sheep learn it from the grass. We're all connected.
Look at this oak. That's devastating. Sometimes the magnitude of our problems can make us feel like we can't do something big enough. So is it even worth doing something small? I felt I need to do something, and what is that something going to be? Unsurprisingly, nature always holds the keys and the lessons. Here, Rocco. You think we can transform all of San Marcos?
I don't know, but I think it's worth a shot.